calling room service. This is John Carl. How may I help you?
I would like an breakfast.
I will happy to take your order, sir. May I have your name and your phone number?
My name is Wilmar from room 201.
Thank you for information, Mr. Durka. We have two types of breakfast. We have continental and American breakfast. What do you prefer for that, sir?
I prefer American breakfast.
Alright, sir. American breakfast, which include beef steak, egg, cereal, and milk. How would you like to prepare for your beef steak? Medium rare or well done?
Well done.
Alright. How about the egg? Boiled, poached, or fried?
I prepared fried egg with a cereal and hot milk.
Sir, we have special creme brulee for a dessert. Would you like to try it, sir?
I would want to try it.
For how many persons are going to prepare, sir?
For one person only.
Okay, sir. May I repeat your order? You are Wilmar Doha from 201, American breakfast, well done steak, fried egg, and hot milk.
It's definitely right.
Alright, Mr. Dongka, your order will be delivered in 15 minutes. Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day. Room service. Room service. Room service. Go. Room service.
No, wait.
Room service. Good morning, sir. I'm from room service, and this is your American breakfast. May I come in?
Yes, sure.
Tapos on the trolley, or you want to transfer the other table?
Transfer it to the place.
Yes. Go. Sir, may I cover your meal?
Yes.
May I pour your coffee? How's the temperature of your room? It is hot or cold, and would you like to adjust?
Yes, I would like to adjust. Can you please hold it again?
Sir, may I present your bill? Your bill is 2,200. Excuse sir, what are mode of payment you have? Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. When would you like me to come back to clean your soil?
After 2 weeks.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. If there's anything else, feel free to call 8888 from room service. Thank you.